What are the burdens of proof?
The burdens of proof. Excellent question. All right, so you're gonna have different names depending on the jurisdiction you live in. I'm gonna give you some very general names. It might be a little different depending on where you live. For example, depending on, let's say the state of Minnesota, to pull somebody over, you only need to have suspicion of criminal activity. And local case law is going to use a terminology depending on your jurisdiction. That means you have to have case law that says more than a mere whim that there's a crime being committed. And it's all about stages, right? Because you have the Fourth Amendment that protects us from unreasonable search and seizures by government agents. So in order to cross these lines, government agents actually have to have a reason to cross these lines. So next you have probable cause. That's a little bit higher. And in order to actually charge a human being with a crime, usually you have to show minimum probable cause, which doesn't take much. Once you get charged with a crime, you get dragged through the system, you have to hire a guy like me. It's a nightmare. Even if you didn't do it, even if the state can't prove beyond a reasonable doubt, they can still drag you through the entire system. Eventually, if you get all the way to a trial, then the government actually has to show beyond a reasonable doubt, which is an insanely high percentage, like crazy high. Probable cause to drag you through, beyond a reasonable doubt to actually convict you. Those are some of the stages in a criminal case.